Calisto 5 and Calisto 9 parts replacement. Changing the entry panel. In this video, we will show you how to replace the entry panel board of a Calisto 5 or Calisto 9.
The entry panel board should be replaced when the connectors have been damaged by the operator or when the electric shocks have damaged the onboard protections.
Here are the tools you will need: a 1/8-inch flat-tip screwdriver, a 3/8-inch flat-tip screwdriver, a Phillips No. 2 screwdriver, Loctite 242. Removing the defective entry panel board. Before you begin, make sure that each wire is tagged with its connector position and that you take a picture of the entire entry panel.
Throughout this procedure, please remember that the technicians must be grounded via electrostatic discharge bracelet.
Turn off the power of the Calisto using the mains power switch and make sure the monitor breaker is also turned off. Open the Calisto by loosening the latches with a 3/8-inch flat screwdriver. Disconnect all wires and cables connected to the entry panel: relays, analog input/output, and all communication cables. Remove the 10 screws using the Phillips No. 2 screwdriver and keep aside. Gently pull out the board from the left side. Remove the black connector by pushing on its latch. Remove the USB and both Ethernet connectors. Make sure to push in the latch of the Ethernet cables before removing them. Installing the new entry panel board. Behind the board, reconnect the USB and both Ethernet cables. Reconnect the black connector. Make sure the latch clips in place. Secure the board in place by tightening the 10 screws using a Phillips No. 2 screwdriver. Be sure to add Loctite on the threads of the screws. Reconnect all wires and cables connected to the entry panel: relays, analog input/output, and all communication cables. Verify that all the communication protocol, relays, and analog input/output utilized are working properly by connecting to the unit with Calisto Manager and inspecting the analog output values. These values should match those on your amp meter. This concludes the instructions for the replacement of the entry panel on a Calisto 5, Calisto 9.
Please remember to follow these instructions carefully and contact us if you have any questions. Calisto can be virtually maintenance-free when properly installed. If you have any questions about this procedure, please feel free to ask for our help. Morgan Schaffer offers worldwide service and technical support. We are here to help you.
For detailed information, please refer to the Calisto 5 and Calisto 9 installation and operation manual, or contact Morgan Schaefer's Technical Support Department. This video was produced by Morgan Schaefer, a Doble engineering company, subsidiary of ESCO Technologies.